Two traders. Same strategy. Same win rate. One doubles their account in 35 trades. The other blows up in 10. The only difference is position sizing. And here is the formula that lets you lose 34 consecutive trades and still have 82% of your account. Here is the takeaway before anything else. Size every position from the stop loss backward. Risk per trade in dollars divided by distance to stop equals your share count. Every time. The Kelly criterion, a mathematical formula used by professional traders and gamblers, suggests that even a winning strategy will go to zero if position sizes are too large. Risking 1% per trade mathematically prevents ruin even through extended losing streaks. Now let me show you where this shows up on today's live chart before we break down the framework. Before we get into the math, let me show you what the current market risk environment looks like, because volatility directly affects how you should be sizing every position right now. Here is the problem costing most traders who want to maximize returns while limiting drawdown money. Most retail traders size their positions based on feeling. They buy 100 shares of something because 100 feels like a round number. Or they put 10% of their account into every trade because it sounds disciplined. Neither of these is risk management. Professional position sizing has nothing to do with the number of shares. It has everything to do with the dollar amount you are willing to lose on the trade if your stop gets hit. Here is the exact framework. Step 1. If your account is any size, multiply it by 0.02. That is your maximum dollar risk per trade. Write that number down before every session. It is the only number that matters before you click buy. Step 2. If your entry is at 50 and your stop is at 47, your risk per share is $3. Divide your max dollar risk by 3 to get your share count. That is your entire position, no more. Step 3. If you feel very confident about a trade and want to size up, cut the position by 25% instead. Overconfidence causes the largest single trade losses. The formula protects you from yourself. Step 4. If you apply 2% risk per trade consistently, you need to lose 34 consecutive trades to cut your account in half. Without this formula, 5 bad trades can end your trading career. A trader who risks 2% per trade with a 50% win rate and 2-to-1 reward to risk will double their account in approximately 35 trades. The same trader who risks 10% per trade has a 40% chance of losing 50% of their account in the first 10 trades, even with the same edge. Position sizing does not improve your edge, but it determines whether your edge survives long enough to pay off. After the formula, I am going to apply it live to today's top mover. You will see exactly how many shares to take based on a real entry and stop level. Here is what the tape looks like right now. SoFi is up 5.5% today. Let me show you how to size a position on this name right now. Take 1% of your account as your risk. Find the logical stop on the chart. Divide your dollar risk by the stop distance. That is your share count. Simple, mechanical, and it keeps you in the game. I am using today's live chart to show you exactly where these levels appear. A trader has a $25,000 account and uses a 1.5% risk rule, $375 per trade. Trade 1. SPY at 472. Stop at 468.50. Risk per share 3.50. Position size 107 shares. Trade 2. Apple at 185. Stop at 181. Risk per share 4.00. Position size 93 shares. Trade 3. QQQ at 380. Stop at 377.50. Risk per share 2.50. Position size 150 shares. Different stocks, different price levels, but the same $375 risk on every single trade. Here is your complete checklist before you take any trade using this setup. Account size is known. Risk per trade is set at 1 to 2%. Stop loss level is identified on the chart. Stop distance in dollars per share is calculated. Share count equals dollar risk divided by stop distance. Screenshot that. We teach position sizing and real trade execution in our Discord with live examples. Come see how professionals size their entries. Link in the description. This is ChartNavigators. A new setup drops every Sunday, so subscribe and hit the bell if you want the next one when it lands.